Hello everyone, welcome to the AcadeML channel and a very happy new year to all of you. So I want to say that this is not the start of some another year, but I must say that this is the perfect time for an engineering student to start his or her GATE journey. So in this video, I'll explain everything you should know about GATE exam before starting your preparation. So first, let me introduce myself. So my name is Uditanshu Pandey, and I'm currently pursuing PhD in Computer Science and Engineering Department at IIT Kanpur, and I have qualified GATE 2025 in both CS and DA branches, and also qualified UGC NET in 2025. So let us first understand what is GATE exam. So GATE stands for Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, and this exam tests your understanding for core CSE subjects and your problem solving ability. सो हम देखते हैं कि गेट एग्ज़ाम इम्पॉर्टेंट क्यों है, क्यों किसी एक स्टूडेंट को गेट एग्ज़ाम देना चाहिए. सो बेसिकली गेट एग्ज़ाम opens various opportunities for a student, like you can pursue MTech or MS in IITs, NITs, triple ITs, or even at ISC, and you can also go for PSU jobs like in ONGC, IUCL, BHEL, NTPC, or even at DRDO or ISRO and many other. And you can also opt for direct PhD options after your BTech, just like I did after my BTech. And you can take admissions in some international universities also, like in University of Singapore and some other universities. And I must say that GATE is a good starting point for your placements, as you study subjects like C programming, data structure, and algorithms here, which are much useful in your placements also. So now let us discuss about the exam pattern of GATE. So GATE exam is of 3 hours and a total of 100 marks, and there are questions of three types, that is MSQ, MCQ, and NET. So in MCQ questions there is only one option is correct. In MSQ questions more than one options can be correct, and in NET type questions you have to enter a number to answer a question. And in GATE exam, there are two sections. First one is general aptitude, and second one is core CSE subjects. And in general aptitude, the section is of 15 marks in total, and the core CSE subjects are of 85 marks in total. So a total of 100 marks. नाउ अब हम देखते हैं कि जो गेट सी एस सी है उसका सिलेबस क्या है. तो गेट सी एस सी के सिलेबस को हम दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. सो फर्स्ट पार्ट है हमारा कोर कंप्यूटर साइंस के सब्जेक्ट्स, और दूसरा पार्ट है हमारा मैथमेटिक्स ओरिएंटेड सब्जेक्ट्स. सो कोर कंप्यूटर साइंस के सब्जेक्ट्स में हमारे पास क्या क्या आता है. हमारे पास आ जाता है सी प्रोग्रामिंग, डेटा स्ट्रक्चर, एल्गोरिथम्स. देन हमारे पास आ जाते हैं सिस्टम्स के सब्जेक्ट. सो इन सिस्टम सब्जेक्ट वी हैव दीज ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम्स, DBMS, कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क, डिजिटल लॉजिक, COA. देन कम्स आर TOC एंड कंपाइलर डिज़ाइन. और जो हमारे पास मैथमेटिक्स साइड के सब्जेक्ट है उसमें हमारे पास दो सब्जेक्ट है. फर्स्ट वन इज डिस्क्रीट मैथमेटिक्स, जिसके अंदर हम क्या पढ़ते हैं, प्रोपोजिशनल लॉजिक, सेट थ्योरी, ग्राफ थ्योरी, कॉम्बिनेटरिक्स, बूलियन अलजेब्रा, और एक टॉपिक और है हमारा, दैट इज ग्रुप थ्योरी. एंड इन इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स वी हैव लीनियर अलजेब्रा, प्रोबेबिलिटी स्टैटिस्टिक्स एंड कैलकुलस. अब ये तो हो गया हमारा ओवरऑल ओवरव्यू के हमारा गेट सीएससी के सिलेबस में क्या क्या है. नाउ हम देखते हैं कि व्हाट शुड बी आवर प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रेटजी फॉर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर गेट एग्जाम. सो फर्स्ट वी आई वांट टू से दैट you must not skip this aptitude section, as this section is of 15 marks and you can easily score 12 to 13 marks in this. So this is a easy scoring subject. And apart from aptitude, we have this programming, data structure, and algorithms. So it is of around 15 to 20 marks or even more marks every year. So and from these 15 to 20 marks you can easily score 10 12 marks here also. So it is also a scoring subject. So I must say that don't skip this programming, data structure, and algorithm course. And on the system subject, I must say that these subjects are of 6 to 8 marks or even 9 marks in some years on average per subject. और जब हमारे बचते हैं अब जो मैथमेटिक्स वाले सब्जेक्ट, डिस्क्रीट मैथमेटिक्स एंड इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स, तो ये अराउंड 13 to 14 मार्क्स आते हैं हर ईयर on an average. But the weightage of these subjects may differ in different years. Like in some years discrete mathematics has more weightage, in some years engineering mathematics has more weightage. So this is the overall idea. So now I want to announce that I am starting a C programming course uh, for GATE CSE from 1st of January 2026, and after covering C programming I'll start data structures, Then I'll go to algorithms. So please subscribe to this channel to start your GATE journey with me, and also join this Telegram group using this QR code or using this link. I'll pin this link in comment section and description box also. You will get lecture slides and PDFs in this Telegram group. You can ask your doubts there. If there are some announcements, I will get posted there only, and you will get some practice questions or reading material for GATE there. And at last, I want to say thank you all of you and a very happy new year. And please subscribe to this channel and join this Telegram group to start your GATE journey with me. And we'll meet in next lecture. Bye bye.